Welcome to Core Gut. Are you tired of battling bloating, constipation, or feeling sluggish day after day? If you're a senior between 60 and 80, you might be noticing that your gut isn't as cooperative as it used to be, leaving you drained or uncomfortable. Maybe you're wondering why your digestion feels off, or why you're not as sharp or energetic as you'd like. The truth is, what you eat could be silently harming your gut, and for seniors, a healthy gut is the secret to vibrant energy, strong immunity, and a sharper mind. In today's video, we're revealing the top 5 foods seniors must avoid to protect their gut health, and trust me, you might be making one of these mistakes every single day. We'll also share smarter alternatives to help you feel lighter, stronger, and healthier. So, stick around, you don't want to miss these life-changing tips that could transform your golden years. Before we dive in, I'd love to know where you're joining me from today. Are you watching from sunny Arizona, snowy Wisconsin, or somewhere else? Drop a comment below, share your gut health struggles or questions, and let's connect. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a health-boosting tip from Core Gut. Let's build a community where we support each other to thrive. Your story matters. Now, let's get started with the first food to avoid. 1. Red meat, a gut-wrecking protein overload. Do you love a juicy steak or a hearty beef stew, thinking it's a great source of protein to keep you strong? While red meat can be part of a balanced diet, eating too much of it, like beef, lamb, or pork, can be a silent gut killer, especially for seniors. Your gut deserves better, and here's why you should cut back. Why red meat harms your gut. Red meat is high in protein and saturated fats, about 7 grams of fat per 100 grams serving of beef. While protein is essential, the heavy proteins in red meat take a long time to digest, putting stress on your gut. When gut bacteria break down red meat, they produce metabolites like TMAO, trimethylamine N-oxide, which are linked to inflammation and damage to your gut lining. For seniors, this is a big concern because aging guts are more sensitive, often dealing with hypochlorhydria, low stomach acid that makes digestion harder. A 2020 study from the World Cancer Research Fund found that eating more than 350 to 500 grams of red meat weekly increases the risk of bowel cancer and heart disease, both of which are amplified by gut inflammation. Overloading your gut with red meat can also lead to constipation, bloating, and a weaker immune system, as 70% of your immune cells live in your gut. How it affects your body. When you eat too much red meat, the slow digestion process crowds out good bacteria, reducing your microbiome diversity. This imbalance triggers inflammation, which can spread beyond your gut, causing joint pain, fatigue, or even sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass that makes walking or climbing stairs harder. For seniors, this means less energy and more discomfort. What to do instead? Limit red meat to 350 to 500 grams weekly, about 3 small portions, and replace it with gut-friendly proteins. Try these alternatives. Plant protein, add 1/2 cup of lentils, 8 grams of fiber per 100 grams, to soups for a digestion-friendly boost. Fish power, enjoy 100-gram salmon fillet, 2.5 grams of omega-3, for an anti-inflammatory protein. Nutty snack, munch on 1/4 cup of almonds, 3.5 grams of fiber, for a protein-packed treat. For example, Susan, a 72-year-old from Ohio, cut back on beef and switched to lentils and salmon. Within 2 weeks, she noticed less bloating and more energy. "I feel so much lighter," she shared in our comments. Are you eating too much red meat? Share your experience below. 2. Processed foods, a hidden gut saboteur. Do you reach for convenient snacks like sausages, packaged bread, or potato chips, especially when you're short on time? These processed foods might seem harmless, but they're packed with additives that can wreck your gut, especially for seniors with sensitive digestion. Why processed foods are dangerous? Processed foods contain additives like emulsifiers, preservatives, and artificial flavors, found in items like sausages, 500 milligrams of sodium per 100 grams, or packaged bread. Emulsifiers, common in protein shakes or plant-based milks, disrupt the mucosal layer of your gut, a protective barrier that houses good bacteria. This damage allows harmful substances to leak into your bloodstream, triggering inflammation. For seniors, this is risky because inflammation can worsen joint pain or heart disease, common after 60. A 2021 study showed that emulsifiers in processed foods reduce gut bacteria diversity, leading to bloating, constipation, or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Preservatives also inhibit good bacteria, weakening your immune system and making you more prone to infections. How it affects your body. When you eat processed foods, additives like emulsifiers break down the tight junctions between gut cells, causing a condition called leaky gut. This lets toxins enter your bloodstream, increasing inflammation and reducing nutrient absorption. For seniors, this can lead to fatigue, brain fog, or sarcopenia, as poor nutrient uptake weakens muscles. What to do instead? Swap processed foods for whole, gut-friendly options. Try these ideas. Homemade snacks. Roast 1/2 cup of chickpeas with spices for a crunchy, fiber-rich treat, 7 grams of fiber. Fresh meals. Replace packaged bread with 1 slice of whole grain bread, 2 grams of fiber, topped with 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds. Smoothie boost. Blend 1 cup of spinach with 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 10 grams of fiber, for a nutrient-packed drink. For example, John, a 75-year-old from Texas, stopped eating potato chips and started snacking on roasted chickpeas. He noticed smoother digestion within a week. "My stomach feels so much better," he shared. Are you eating processed foods? Drop a comment and let's find healthier swaps. 3. Artificial sweeteners, a sweet trap for your gut. Do you sip on diet sodas or add artificial sweeteners to your coffee, thinking they're a healthier choice? These artificial sweeteners, like aspartame or sucralose, might be calorie-free, but they're a sneaky gut killer, especially for seniors. Why artificial sweeteners hurt your gut? Artificial sweeteners, found in diet drinks, about 200 milligrams per 12-ounce can, trick your body into expecting sugar. When no sugar arrives, your gut bacteria get confused, leading to insulin spikes and increased hunger. This disruption feeds harmful bacteria, reducing the number of good bacteria in your microbiome. For seniors, this is problematic because an imbalanced microbiome can worsen diabetes risk or low energy, common with age. A 2020 study found that artificial sweeteners alter gut bacteria, increasing inflammation and digestive discomfort in older adults. This inflammation can also affect your myelin sheath, the protective coating around nerves, crucial for mobility and brain function. How it affects your body. When you consume artificial sweeteners, they disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, promoting harmful strains that cause bloating or gas. This imbalance also affects your gut-brain axis, reducing serotonin production and leading to low mood or brain fog. For seniors, this means more digestive issues and less mental clarity. What to do instead? Replace artificial sweeteners with natural, gut-friendly options. Try these alternatives. Honey boost. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, minimal sugar impact, to 1 cup of yogurt for a gut-soothing treat. Fruit sweetness. Blend 1/2 cup of berries, 4 grams of fiber, into a smoothie for natural flavor. Nutty flavor. Top 1 cup of oatmeal with 1/4 cup of walnuts for a naturally sweet crunch. For example, Mary, a 68-year-old from Florida, ditched diet soda for water with a splash of berry juice. She noticed less bloating and a brighter mood within days. "I feel so much happier," she shared. Are you using artificial sweeteners? Share your story below. 4. Extreme diets and detoxes, a gut-damaging fad. Have you ever tried a juice cleanse or a gluten-free diet, hoping for a quick fix to feel better? These extreme diets and detoxes, like juice cleanses or unnecessary gluten-free plans, can starve your gut of essential nutrients, especially for seniors with delicate digestion. Why extreme diets are harmful? Extreme diets, like juice cleanses, lack fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which your gut bacteria need to thrive. For example, a juice cleanse might provide only 5 grams of fiber daily, far below the recommended 30 grams. This starves good bacteria, reducing microbiome diversity. Gluten-free diets, unless medically necessary, for the 1% with celiac disease, eliminate nutrient-rich grains like barley, 6 grams of fiber per 100 grams, weakening your gut. For seniors, extreme diets are risky because they can lead to hypokalemia, low potassium levels causing muscle cramps, or nutrient deficiencies that worsen sarcopenia. A 2022 study found that restrictive diets increase oxidative stress, harming gut bacteria and causing inflammation. How it affects your body. When you follow extreme diets, your gut bacteria struggle without fiber or nutrients, leading to constipation, bloating, or diarrhea. This also weakens your immune system, as gut bacteria support 70% of immune cells. For seniors, this means more infections, fatigue, and reduced mobility. What to do instead? Focus on balanced, gut-friendly meals. Try these ideas. Balanced breakfast. Start with 1 cup of oatmeal, 4 grams of fiber, topped with 1/2 cup of blueberries and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, 8 grams of fiber. Whole grain lunch. Enjoy 1 slice of whole grain bread with 1/2 cup of lentils and 1 cup of spinach. Snack smart. Munch on 1 apple with 1/4 cup of chia seeds for a nutrient-packed treat. For example, Linda, a 70-year-old from California, stopped juice cleanses and started balanced meals with oats and flax seeds. She noticed regular digestion within a week. "I feel so much stronger," she shared. Have you tried an extreme diet? Drop a comment and let's find better options. 5. Counting calories, a misleading gut health trap. Do you track every calorie, thinking it's the key to staying healthy? Counting calories might seem like a smart move, but it can mislead you about your gut's needs, especially for seniors. Calories don't tell the whole story, and focusing on them can harm your digestion. Why counting calories fails your gut? Calories measure energy, not nutritional value. For example, a medium McDonald's fries, 340 calories, has the same calories as a bowl of brown rice with veggies and tofu, but the fries lack fiber, 2 grams versus 8 grams in the rice bowl, and vitamins. Food labels can also be up to 20% inaccurate, and your body doesn't absorb all calories, e.g., nuts lose some in digestion. Focusing on calories ignores your gut's need for prebiotics like fiber or probiotics. For seniors, this is risky because poor nutrition can worsen constipation, fatigue, or diabetes risk. A 2020 study found that calorie-focused diets reduce gut bacteria diversity in older adults, increasing inflammation and digestive issues. How it affects your body. When you prioritize calories over nutrients, your gut misses out on fiber and vitamins, starving good bacteria and causing bloating or irregular bowel movements. This also affects your gut-brain axis, reducing serotonin and leading to low mood. For seniors, this means less energy and weaker immunity. What to do instead? Focus on nutrient-dense foods over calorie counts. Try these gut-friendly options. Fiber-packed breakfast. Enjoy 1 cup of yogurt with 1/2 cup of raspberries, 4 grams of fiber, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 10 grams of fiber. Whole grain dinner. Serve 1/2 cup of quinoa, 3 grams of fiber, with 1 cup of steamed broccoli and 1/4 cup of walnuts. Snack boost. Munch on 1 handful of sunflower seeds, 3 grams of fiber, with 1 banana, 420 milligrams of potassium. For example, Robert, a 78-year-old from New York, stopped counting calories and focused on fiber-rich foods like quinoa and chia seeds. He noticed better digestion and more energy within days. "I feel so much more vibrant," he shared. Are you counting calories? Share your experience below. Practical tips for protecting your gut. Now that you know the 5 foods to avoid, here's how to keep your gut healthy. Limit red meat. Stick to 350 to 500 grams weekly, replacing with lentils or salmon for gentler proteins. Choose whole foods. Opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, and nuts like almonds or chia seeds over processed snacks. Sweeten naturally. Use honey or berries instead of artificial sweeteners, keeping portions small, 1 teaspoon of honey. Eat balanced. Include fiber, 30 grams daily, protein, and fats in every meal, avoiding restrictive diets. Listen to your body. Focus on hunger cues and nutrient quality, not calorie counts, to nourish your gut. For the best results, start small. Try replacing 1 processed snack with a handful of sunflower seeds or swapping diet soda for a berry smoothie. These changes can transform your digestion and help you feel amazing every day. Let's build a healthier community together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts, questions, or what gut health topic you'd like us to cover next. Maybe you've made one of these food mistakes or found a gut-friendly swap you love. Share it with our community. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health tips. Your gut health is the foundation of your vitality, and you deserve to feel your best at any age. By avoiding red meat, processed foods, artificial sweeteners, extreme diets, and calorie counting, and choosing nutrient-rich alternatives, you're taking powerful steps toward a stronger, healthier gut. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.